Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I'm gonna show you the version hair 613. I know many people are liking 613 hair. They are looking for high quality 613 hair, but most of 613 hair, as we know, is made either of non-Remy hair or Remy hair. So actually right now we offer a high standard and high quality version 613 hair. This is in my hand. We offer different thickness of hair. This is our A grade, and we also have A plus as well. If you look at this 613 hair, you can see this color is very beautiful, much more beautiful compared with those Remy or non-Remy hair, and much more saturated. The more important thing is this hair is very strong, and this hair is very resilient, strong, bouncy, and it lasts much more times compared with these Remy or non-Remy hairs, and there isn't any shedding or any tangle problem on this hair. We bleach this from Chinese virgin hair, and you can see each and every hair strand are very much strong, and the color is very beautiful as well. If you look at regular Remy hair or non-Remy hair 613 hair, you might find their color looks like very dry and not shiny, but this one you can see it's very bouncy, beautiful, and shiny, saturated color. 613 color, very beautiful. It will be you will be able to use this hair to color to other beautiful hair. It will still very good, and it lasts very much long times. If you're looking for a high quality, high standard, and luxury 613 hair which is long lasting and most beautiful, please try our 613 version hair. Contact us. You can purchase and place order on www.joicehair.com or contact us. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great day.